Which synonym belongs to transient? The correct answer is temporary. Which synonym belongs to uncouth? The correct answer is fremd. Which synonym belongs to regicide? The correct answer is kingslayer. Which synonym belongs to oblique? The correct answer is oblique stroke. Which synonym belongs to exhort? The correct answer is counsel. Which synonym belongs to saffron? The correct answer is geyser. Which synonym belongs to rigid? The correct answer is inflexible. Which synonym belongs to legerdemain? The correct answer is prestidigitation. Which synonym belongs to jargon? The correct answer is in talk. Which synonym belongs to vaunt? The correct answer is brag. Which synonym belongs to grueling? The correct answer is backbreaking. Which synonym belongs to distort? The correct answer is deform. Which synonym belongs to cross? The correct answer is crossbreed. Which synonym belongs to forlorn? The correct answer is forsaken. Which synonym belongs to plebeian? The correct answer is commoner. Which synonym belongs to cauldron? The correct answer is kettle. Which synonym belongs to groom? The correct answer is bridegroom. Which synonym belongs to relevant? The correct answer is prevalent. Which synonym belongs to halcyon? The correct answer is at peace. Which synonym belongs to primal? The correct answer is primary.